So you're ready to buy crypto in 2025, but you're not sure where to start, or more importantly, how to do it safely. The good news? You're not alone. With scams, shady platforms, and overwhelming hype all around, buying your first Bitcoin or Ethereum, or even that hot new altcoin, can feel risky. But it doesn't have to be. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step beginner's guide to buying crypto the right way in 2025. You'll learn how to choose a trusted exchange, secure your wallet, avoid common mistakes, and protect your investment from hackers and fake projects. Stick around to the end because I'll also reveal the most underrated tip that even advanced crypto investors forget. And before we jump in, hit that subscribe button for more money-making strategies, digital investing tips, and crypto walkthroughs only here on the Millionaire Luxe Room. Step 1. Choose a trusted exchange. Your first step is picking the right place to buy your crypto. And this matters more than you think. In 2025, the crypto space is more mainstream, but it's also more crowded. There are hundreds of platforms claiming to be secure, but only a few have the track record and regulation you can rely on. Stick with trusted, globally regulated exchanges like Coinbase, beginner-friendly, US-regulated, and great for recurring buys. Kraken, known for security and lower trading fees. Binance US, a powerful platform for low fees and altcoin variety. Gemini, strong regulatory compliance and insurance protections. Bitstamp, one of the oldest and most respected in Europe. Check for compliance in your region, clear terms of service, and support channels. You want to know who you're dealing with if things go sideways. A good exchange is like a good bank. It should feel boring, transparent, and dependable. Step 2. Create a secure account. Once you've picked a platform, creating a secure account is your next mission. Don't cut corners here. Start by setting up a strong, unique password. Use a password manager like 1Password or Bitwarden to store it securely. Then, enable two-factor authentication and use an app-based method, not text messages, which can be intercepted through SIM swap attacks. Use a separate email address that you don't use for anything else. This helps reduce your exposure to phishing attacks. During sign-up, the exchange may ask you for identification documents like a driver's license or passport for KYC verification. Don't panic. This is standard practice in 2025 and protects you by keeping fraudsters out. Once your account is verified and locked down, you're ready to fund it. Step 3. Fund your account. Funding your account is easy, but the fees and timing depend on your method. You can usually deposit using bank transfer, ACH, or wire. Lower fees, but slower. Debit or credit card, instant, but often comes with 2 to 4% fees. PayPal, Apple Pay, or Google Pay, available on select platforms. Stablecoins, great if you're transferring crypto from another wallet. Start small. Even $50 is enough to get started. The goal here is not to YOLO your life savings into crypto, it's to learn the process and understand how it works firsthand. Pro tip: avoid margin or leverage trading if you're new. Stick to spot purchases only. Step 4. Choose your crypto wisely. It's tempting to jump on the latest meme coin or low-cap altcoin that's going to the moon. But hype comes and goes. Fundamentals last. If you're brand new to crypto, start with these. Bitcoin, BTC, the OG, store of value, decentralized, and widely adopted. ETH, the foundation of DeFi, NFTs, and Web3. Solana, SOL, fast and scalable with a growing ecosystem. Polygon, Matic, a top Layer 2 solution for Ethereum scalability. These assets have strong teams, use cases, and global communities behind them. If you want to explore other coins later, make sure to read the white paper, visit the official website, check who's behind the project, and look for transparency and documentation. Treat crypto investing like stock investing. Do your due diligence. Step 5. Understand wallets and storage. Buying crypto is only half the battle. Storing it safely is what keeps it yours. Most beginners leave their crypto on the exchange, but this puts your funds at risk if the platform gets hacked or goes offline. So let's break down your options. 10 signs. Hot wallets are mobile or desktop apps like MetaMask. Trust Wallet, Phantom for Solana. They're easy to use and great for DeFi or small amounts. Cold wallets are hardware devices like Ledger Nano X, Trezor Model T. They store your crypto offline, making them nearly impossible to hack, ideal for long-term holders or storing larger amounts. And here's the golden rule. Protect your seed phrase. This is your backup key. Write it down. Store it somewhere safe. Never screenshot it, never store it online, and never share it with anyone. If you lose it, you lose access forever. Step 6. Avoid common crypto scams. The crypto world may be more regulated now, but the scams are still out there, and sneakier than ever. Watch out for fake exchange websites that look almost identical to real ones, crypto giveaway scams on social media, fake airdrops that ask you to connect your wallet, impersonators on Twitter or Discord pretending to be support agents. Always double-check URLs, bookmark your exchange, don't click links from DMs, and don't ever share your seed phrase or private key. Use browser extensions like Wallet Guard for phishing protection. Revoke.cash to disconnect suspicious smart contracts. MetaMask snaps to improve transaction clarity. The best defense is to slow down, stay skeptical, and only interact with official links and verified projects. Step 7. Keep learning and stay informed. Crypto is not set it and forget it. It's dynamic, it changes fast, and staying informed helps you protect your wealth and spot opportunities early. Here are a few places to stay up to date. The Defiant for DeFi innovation and trends. CoinDesk and Cointelegraph for breaking news. Bankless and What Bitcoin Did, top educational podcasts. X, formerly Twitter. Follow real builders and analysts, not hype accounts. Spend 10 minutes a day reading, listening, or watching. Knowledge compounds. And when markets dip, which they will, you'll be ready to hold strong, not panic. Bonus tip. Want to hear the one thing that separates successful crypto investors from the rest? They don't time the market. They build habits. Dollar cost average, stay consistent, focus on education over emotion, set a recurring buy every week or month, build your position slowly, use tools like CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, or TradingView to track performance, and most importantly, invest in what you understand. If a project doesn't make sense to you, skip it. If this video helped you take that first step toward buying crypto safely, hit that like button and leave a comment below. What coin are you looking at right now? And what part of the process feels the most confusing? And don't forget to subscribe to the Millionaire Luxe Room for weekly breakdowns on crypto investing, money strategies, and building digital wealth. Watch our next video, 5 passive income ideas that still work in 2025, to see how you can turn your crypto into cash flow. Subscribe now, because in crypto and in life, knowledge is your first investment.